Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Jaguar XF. So kind of from any screen, you've got settings over here. You go to settings, you've got Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth. You've got Bluetooth, search for Bluetooth devices, make system discoverable, and list of paired devices. So we click list of paired devices and you see Barry's iPhone there, paired devices. Click on that, rename Barry's iPhone, delete pairing, connect for phone, connect for music, connect all. So delete pairing. Delete pairing for Barry's iPhone, yes. That's it, gone. One of the things, if you can't stream audio for any reason, do that same process, but then just make sure that it's paired for music is clicked.